Hey, this is Mijan here. In this video, I am going to show you how we can collect the teleform submission with the UTM data as well as add cookie like FBCLID and GCLID, and how we can import this data into a Google Sheet. So without further ado, let's begin learning. You can see here is a teleform. I already embedded this form with this website, and if I go to the form, here you can see this is my form. If I click on edit, then this is my form. Okay, so I added this form here, you can see. So to collect the UTM data and the add cookie, I need to add some hidden fields. To add this, go to this form, and here you can see here the plus icon, insert block. Just click here and we can search here like hidden fields, then insert. Now here you need to add URL query parameter. First of all, we would like to collect UTM source. So here is the source. Then again click this three dot icon and add hidden field. Then UTM medium. Again. Then for Facebook click ID, we need to add FBCLID. For Google click ID, we need to add GCLID. Okay, so when someone click any ad, it can be Google ads or Facebook ads, then this is how UTM data actually we capture the URL query parameter like this, and this is the FBCLID and Google CLID same. We can see this data in our URL. So from URL we're gonna capture this data. So now I can click on publish. After that, I need to go to a website. This is utmbuilder.com, and here we can add some data. First of all, copy this landing page URL and paste it here. Then campaign source, it can be like Google, and so you can write your campaign medium paid, campaign name. Now we can add here the URL parameters like FBCLID. Now for GCLID, okay, now we can copy this URL and paste this URL here, and if I just enter this page and submit this form, register. Okay, you can see here the thank you message, it's done. So if I go to the form submission, okay, you can see this is the form submission, and I need to delete this one. You will understand then. Okay, so you can see here, this is the country, this is the UTM source, UTM medium, then this is the UTM campaign name. How do we add it here? You can see here, and this is the FBCLID and this is the GCLID. So we already captured this data by using hidden field, and now if you would like to send this data to a Google Sheet, then we can also do it. For this, we need to go to the integration from here, and here you can see the Google Sheet. Just click here, connect, and write name like this is your Gmail. You should select here your Gmail. Then you can create your new spreadsheet, or you can choose the existing spreadsheet from here. So I'm going to choose this one, and I have already created a sheet here. Then connect with Google Sheet. Okay, it's connected. So you can see these data already come here. Here is total 24 leads and 24 submission, total 23. Yeah, not 24. If I submit a new form, with the new data like UTM source, can be like phase or meta. Register. So the form is submitted. If I go here, this is our new submission, and if I go here, then this is the new submission. This is the name, this is the email, and this is the like our UTM source was medium was paid, and this is our campaign name, and this is our FBCLID, GCLID. So in this way we can actually set up the hidden field and collect the UTM data as well as add cookie, and we can also use these data for our offline conversion tracking. So I hope you could understand everything perfectly. If you have any question or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are not technical guy and you need help with any kind of tracking, like on offline conversion tracking or Google Tag Manager or any kind of tracking, then feel free to reach out me. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.